Bang, and we are back. Here we go. Welcome back, anyway, to another video. Last time out, if you didn't see, we were building this piece. Didn't get through it. Don't know what was going on last night. Can't remember. Don't know. But yeah, made a shorter video, as usual. So we'll see how far we get today. And then, I think we're starting here. Yes. Something like that. Right, anyway, cracking on. We are taking, not that piece, I don't think. No, it's that piece, isn't it? Is that the doll one? Yeah. Okay. Anyway. Busy old day today. Not gonna lie. What did I do? Well, yeah, at work. Got dropped off at a job to do myself. Basically, there was a, what was it? Flower bed I had to take down. It had about 5 bricks high and a load of soil and brash in it, so I took all the planting out, then dug all the soil out, had to wheelbarrow it all onto the van, a fair amount to be fair, filled the whole back of the van, and including all the hard rubber as well. So bosses seemed pleased about me getting that done before midday. And then one of them came down and told me to dig, like, help me measure out the holes for the fencing. And I dug the 4 holes. They came down at like 4 o'clock in the afternoon to put the fencing up. And yeah, didn't take too much longer after that, maybe like an hour, and then we were done. So they had another job on sorting out a greenhouse, like they had to take it apart and move it. And so yeah, that was just a day on my ones. Didn't even put the radio on. Don't know if I had a battery for it or if it was, worth a try really, when it to put a blooming radio on. It would have done wonders. But we got the job done, and on to another one. Well, I say another one, I think we're doing something different tomorrow, and then there's another job to start on Thursday. But I am struggling here to find the piece that I need. Can you give me the piece I need or not? Is this the piece I need and I just put it back? Yes, it is. Of course it is. Why wouldn't I put a piece back that I need? There we go. Naughty. I thought there was, different pieces like that, but no, it's just the one of them. So we're good, we keep going. So yeah, back to the work life, but only 4-day week, so 3 more days. Speaking of 3 more days, we've got maybe 3 more days of building this bad boy, and then most likely it will be finitoed. And I've got another Lego set, if you haven't heard, on the way. Bit of a cheeky one. But yeah, we'll be live streaming Friday, probably finish this on live stream. And then depends on what I do Saturday, if anyone's gonna want to make plans and do like a family day out or something. If not, I will hopefully get the Lego set eventually. I haven't had an email saying that it's on the way yet, so that's a worry. But yeah, if that can turn up, that would be fantastic. And we can crack on with that, maybe on a live stream on Saturday. Otherwise, it will just be a video. So either way, I will be starting a brand new Lego set soon. I don't think I need that one there. No, I don't. I need that one. I nearly put the wrong piece in again, but I made sure, and I'm gonna do it right. Okay, no jinxing it though. Get them out. jinxy jinxy. So I think the lads got to work at 7:30 this morning, but obviously, well, not obviously to you, but to me, we've been starting at like 7:45, and I never got told that we were starting at 7:30, so never mind, we move. And I definitely put that on wrong. Oh yeah, and I'll actually say, if you're watching at this point, I saw a snake at work. A little one. It looked like a worm at the start, like a fat off worm like that, and then it just dropped off the brick and started doing this. And I was like, that's not how worms move, bro. So yeah, I'm glad it went away from me into the fence. Don't think I've actually seen a live snake in person, unless it's like caged up. So that was a bit of a new experience. But I stayed cool, calm, collected, and carried on. So we're good. Gucci. I know if I see a snake, I can stay in the mindset of not screaming and running. You know what I'm saying? We out here. Bosh. So yeah, that was different, to say the least. Didn't actually tell anyone at work. I got home and remembered, and then told my parents. I was like, I saw a snake today. But for some reason I completely forgot. I didn't tell anyone that came through at work after I've seen it. I'll probably let them know tomorrow. I wonder how my mate does it, because he doesn't like frogs, one of the lads I work with. I wonder what he's like with snakes and that, because I don't even know if they're like common. I think it was a grass snake. It wasn't big, and it was like a dark green, so could have been a grass snake, I don't know. How does this sit on there like that? Whoa, that's smart, and it pushed down on the other side. That's got a loose piece like that. Typical. Let's go. So this one will sit. Wait, what is going on here? So confused. Why does this look longer? Oh, it is longer. Oh, it does. Okay, never mind. Keep moving. Trust the source, trust the process. That looks pretty cool. Still not attaching it to the World Cup though. I don't know why, but I am about to build something else to attach to that in a moment. So we've got the World Cup there, we've got the little fella there, and we've got that piece there. I like this camera bit. That's looking massive, isn't it? The size of that thing. Yeesh. Right. Don't know if I need to speed up a little bit. It's nearly coming up to 10 minutes already. So, see what we can do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Bosh. Bosh. Back. So yeah, we ended up starting a job. Well, I started a job and we finished it in one day, so that's pretty nifty, isn't it? Pretty sad. Got a job done in one day, and they got a job done, so good work, good work. Like it. And then, yeah, sounds like we're doing something with chicken farming type thing, and we've got to put like a fence up or something, but talk about that tomorrow, because I have no idea. I've never been to this place that they're going, and yeah, it's going to be different, but we're all there, so it should be pretty, banterish. Alright, this one sits like that. two of these. One faces this way. Bang. And one faces this way. There's big games on actually. 25 minutes into, who is it? Real Madrid, Barcelona. Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, and Sporting Lisbon against Arsenal. And which game did they choose to put on? Prime. Amazon Prime has got flipping Arsenal, Sporting Lisbon over Real Madrid, Bayern Munich. Who decided that was a good idea? But then next week, we've got Liverpool versus PSG. That's tomorrow night alongside Atletico Madrid, Barcelona. And obviously the winners of tonight and the winners of tomorrow play each other. So maybe we'll get an idea on who's going to be playing each other in the semi-finals in the Champions League tonight, or they could all be in the balance. Who knows? Alright, we are assuming that's a flat piece to go on this side, like that. Oh, and it goes on that side as well. There. Nice. I like it. What's this connected to then? Alright, so this. Oh, that sits on there. Oh, you fanny. How did that happen then? It's the heavy hands, it's the heavy hands. You know what I'm saying? Oh, come on! Just go in there, man. What are you playing at? Goodness gracious me. Don't do this. Don't do this now. There we go. Okay. So we can put that aside a minute. I don't know what that is. Look at that, it looks like a robot. But I'm like, that, is it from Star Wars? I don't know, it looks like it. Oh, dearie me. Been like having headaches on and off today. But I drank so much, I had a large bottle of water, like those ones that you like have like a straw connected to it, like a big ass bottle. Then I got given a cup of tea at work. Also got given 2 peach squashes and another pint of water, and then got home and had a pint of water. Now I think I'm going to get another drink once I've done this video. Hopefully we can finish this tonight. There's not that many pieces, but it's really fiddly, and that took too long to try and put that on there because it was just being a pain for no reason. Might get some more food as well. Bow. I need to eat, like, I feel like my body's just wanting to eat small and often rather than massive amounts of food all the time. So eat little and often. Eat little and often. That's a good way to be, I think. Alright. Can we touch that? Apparently not. Sort of. There we go. This video is going to be out a bit late, so I'm going to get a drink and some food, and then I might make another video for tomorrow so that we've got one ready, because it sounds like I'm going quite far tomorrow for work, and also got a niece staying around tomorrow night, so I don't really want to be keeping her awake. So yeah, probably make video for tomorrow and post it when I get home. There's a reason it's late tonight is because I had a niece and nephew round, and then I've got to make that twice. Okay then, just didn't read that part of the instruction. Okay. I like spending time with them, and then had dinner, and then had to have a shower, and then yeah, time's just got away from me. So here we are. Yeah. Bosh. Another single piece there, another piece there, and a piece, where is that one? Of course. Okay then. So that one goes like that. No, it doesn't. That's not that page. Come on now. That one goes on there. Yeah. So now even I can't keep up where I am in the book. I'm building it so fast. It's like lightning speed. Is it? Well, that doesn't look right. That's because I'm not putting on that piece. Derpy derp. Picked up the wrong piece to attach that to. That was smart. Super, super smart. I don't need that piece yet. I need this piece. Bosh. Stick it on that whole thing. That's not it yet. It's not it. That one again. Oh, and that one. Okay then. So this one goes on there. That one then goes on there. Then this one goes on here. So we've got these, they connect to that, I believe. It connects. Wow. Wow. That's incredible. Look at this. What do you mean? Look at that. Oh, well that doesn't look right. Where's the other half of that gone? Why is that one so much longer than that one? Did I add it onto the wrong thing again? Oh, I'm such a knob. What on earth am I doing? What did I add on to there? I think I added that on the wrong one. What a numpty. What an absolute numpty. That was silly, wasn't it? No, I can't. What on earth? What's going on here? What? I'm such a donut. What? That's right. Well, that can't fit on there. Where's that square? Where's that square gone? Oh. What? 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 Oh, it's on there. Okay, never mind. I'll just take... No, I've got to take you off there. What a pleb. What an annoyance. Oh, this is just a nightmare. Take that off. Give me easy access to it. Get off. Goodness me. Can I ever go for a video without making a mistake? Jeez, man. Just like someone make a flipping compilation of me making mistakes. That's just terrible. So bad for me. Get off. Shit on that piece. God damn it. Oh, come Why are you stuck on there? Flippin' heck. Oh, did I fling that grey piece over there? No, that piece is over there. That grey piece is out. I don't know where that goes now. Oh, this is just so good. Come on. This thing's rubbish. Mate, I'm livid. Just put the pieces on correctly, please. Don't take all of those off. Can you get off, please? Thank you. God dang. That is an absolute nightmare. And now I've lost one of them. Nope, it's that one. That's what that one's for. That's good. That one goes on there. Right then. We've got the piece I need. That was way too stressful. Shouldn't be doing it wrong. Pay attention. Right then, now we're back. Back again. Tell a friend. Right, here we go. One goes on that side, and one goes on that side. There we go. Finally sussed it. Now this video is nearly over, so thank goodness that I got that repaired. Absolute donkey. Alright, now I've got these. We've got to turn this upside down. Put this one on here. And we'll turn this one this way and put that one on there. Beautiful. Okay then. We are about to find out where this thing goes. So hold your horses. This is going to be connected to the World Cup very, very soon. Probably got another 4 or 5 pieces to... Nope. Nope, this is going on the World Cup right now. So we've got to put it up this way. It's like a man. Okay. So we've got to turn it so that the FIFA World Cup side is facing me. And this up goes in here. This is ridiculous. How on earth am I meant to find out where that goes? What? Wait a minute. How much I... Okay. Don't fall apart in my hands. Ah, oh, you stink. That's not on. Why are you coming off? Stay on there. Oh dear. There. That sounded good. Yes. Yes. There we go. Look at that. Boom. That little geezer. Oh, he's like holding the ball, technically. A man with his arms up holding the football. Sweet. And he nods. Don't really know where his head's meant to be looking, but never mind. We'll quickly finish a couple more pieces. Then on where the World Cup is there, on this side, I need to put a square. Where? Here? Okay. That square there and that square there. Okay. Then the last 3 pieces, we get 2 of these and 1 of those. So we've got 2 spare pieces in the box. The World Cup's still facing that way. Now, this is techie bit of kit. I suppose that goes there. Right. Yeah. Okay. And then 2 triangles. One goes there. And one goes there. There we are. Getting a good progress on this page. That is beautiful, that is, with the little man there. So there we go. I am going to start bag 18 tonight, but I'll post it tomorrow. But this video, thank you for watching, and like and subscribe. Yeah, we're nearly coming to the end of this, and then I've got another one ordered. Don't know when it's going to turn up. Need to check my emails again, but haven't heard yet. So yeah, I will let you know if that's on the way. And yeah, nice one. Hope to see you on Friday for a live stream, which will be absolutely sick. So I'll be finishing this for sure. So we've got bag 18, and it's what, Tuesday today, so Wednesday. This will be Wednesday's video, and then Thursday should have 18 done, and then the live stream will do the final 2 bags. Absolutely stunning. Catch you very soon.